everyone, today we are got the newly released CHCNAV RS7 handheld scanner here. Let's open the box and see what's inside.
The package includes the RS7 main unit. A handle battery is included to power the device during operation. Phone holder is provided to mount a mobile device for operation and display. A lens cleaning cloth is provided to clean the LiDAR window and maintain scan quality. Power adapter is included for charging the device and accessories. A data cable is provided for device connection and data transfer. The Quick Start Guide covers basic RS7 operations, and the certificate proves factory compliance. 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch thread adapter is included for mounting the device on standard survey accessories. A mini tripod is included for static scanning or demonstration purposes.